जगत घट को विष से कर पूर्ण किया जिन हाथों ने तैयार, लगाया उसके मुख पर नारी तुम्हारे अधरों का मधुसार। नहीं तो देता कप का देता तोड़, पुरुष विष घट या ठोकर मार। इसी मधु को लेने को स्वाद हलाहल पी जाता संसार। It is as if the new Eros thriller by debutant director Randeep Jha finds its roots in the famous Harivansh Rai Bachchan poem. Halahal, a gritty atmospheric thriller set on today's broken world, demands much more attention than what it is receiving at present. Here's Fincopat's take on the film, an attempt to analyze the thriller beyond the conventional lines and to advocate why this thriller demands your time. Stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel to keep us going. Thanks for letting us grow till here. Although set against the backdrop of the 2013 Vyapam scam from Madhya Pradesh, Halahal finds the epicenter of its broken world in UP's Ghaziabad. Archana, a medical college girl, has died under mysterious circumstances which the local authorities want to morph as suicide. Archana's father, Dr. Shiv Sharma, played by the criminally underrated Sachin Khedekar, realizes early on that something is wrong with his daughter's death and runs adamant in uncovering the truth. He comes across the local corrupt cop, Yusuf, played elegantly by Barun Sobti, aiding in Dr. Shiv's search for truth. Well, that's a familiar motive in hand. Two distinctly unlike personalities coming together with a mission in hand, fetching retribution or self-reconciliation. We have seen this before so many times, from Mississippi Burning to Mac Khiladi to Anari. Oh no, did I just mention those two movies in the same line? Blasphemous. Anyways, the beauty of Halahal is how the script continuously creates this familiar trope only to take them to unfamiliar domains. The dual protagonist motive takes a hard beating by the end of the film. But that's not the only upset that writer Gibran Nurani and Zishan Kadri have up their sleeves. There are so many others, more subtle ones, effortlessly charming. Shiv and Yusuf sneak into a government building without permission, searching for critical information. We wait for the upcoming scenes of conflict only to find how easily they manage all the desired details. After more than a few mentions, we finally see Bhai Saab, the supposed ringmaster, and struggle to fit in Manu Rishi, popular for his naive comic characters, into this unfamiliar avatar. Dr. Shiv breaks into Bhai Saab's den, uttering words of wisdom, challenging him at his home. We expect a showdown, but nothing happens. Shiv walks out with Bhai Saab just commenting, "Kaun hai ye?" in a satirical tone. Manu Rishi, another highly underrated actor in the industry, gives a splendid performance in this cameo. With upsets all around, the director and the writers of Halahal talk about the world we live in, where no one can be trusted, nothing is permanent or infallible. Not even Mona Lisa, the most coveted art of this world. It might well be a replica which the world is queuing up to watch every day. At least that's what Dr. Shiv thinks as he mentions to Yusuf near the end of the film. This film appears to be from the Anurag Kashyap world. No wonder, as both director Randeep and writer Zishan collaborated with Kashyap before. Randeep as Kashyap's assistant director in Ugly, Raman Raghav and Mukkabaz, Zishan as the man behind the stupendous script of Gangs of Wasseypur and Definite in front of the camera. In a very clever nod, there's also a salute to Kashyap when ringtones sing Darya from Man Marziya more than once, and you actually have a clue to the mystery hidden underneath. Yes, Halahal is that dense a script, that meandering a plot. The other achievement in writing is the way dry humor is planted all along, making you laugh in the most uncalled junctures. The dialogues are also effortlessly funny, with Barun's police punctuality comment having all possibility to gain a cult status down the line. Yusuf is that cop who always reaches the crime scene before time. Another known theme set and gets broken. The casting of the protagonists in Halahal is also a very interesting achievement. Sachin Khedekar as the grieving father is a perfect cast, an image we associate with an upright underdog, enabling us to root for him from the start. You have to just go and watch Halahal to find out how this grieving parent template also goes for a toss eventually. And thanks to Khedekar's believable performance, the film manages to pull that through. Barun Sobti gives another memorable performance after Asur, and You Are My Sunday, perhaps his best this far. The chemistry strikes all throughout, and by the end of the film, you realize how cleverly both character arcs were drawn in accordance to the theme of the film. The politics in their names, Shiv and Yusuf, and their journey of crisscrossing each could have been another interesting subtext, but the film leaves it at the poking mention only. The Shiv Halahal context, however, takes a brilliant shape, a unique subversion on how the father figure endures the poison for the sanctity of his world, reminding us of the poetry we started with. Ye duniya agar mil bhi jaye to kya hai? Sahir Ludhianvi had written for the climax of Gurudutt's Pyasa. In the climax of Anurag Kashyap's Gulal, Piyush Mishra presents a homage to that immortal song. Halahal speaks of that same dunya, a world of fading distinctions between good and evil, fair and unfair, man and animal. Our rating for Halahal is 7.5 out of 10. Let us know what you feel about the film. Please watch Halahal if you haven't watched it yet. This film deserves better attention. For more videos and reviews like this, please subscribe to our channel and keep us going. Thank you so much for watching.